What up guys, Greggy P with PizzlesTechTime, back again with another video. Today we're going to be looking at this QI wireless power bank, and I thought it was really cool because it's an internal battery, 5000 mAh, and it charges your phone wirelessly, and it sticks to your phone with these here suction cups. Now, I'm pretty interested to see, number one, if this will work with the case, number two, if this fast charges or slow charges, because there's a big difference guys, let's be honest. Slow charging your phone wirelessly, you're going to have to leave it there for hours, and I just don't think it works that well. Judging by the looks of the packaging here, I'm guessing it's not fast charging. It is under $20, so this is going to go in my budget tech playlist, and if you're interested in that playlist, I'll leave a link for it right above. And if this is your first time here, hit that subscribe button, followed by the notification bell, so you'll be notified next time I drop a video. Putting my cards on the table, I did receive this product for review. That's not going to affect my opinion, as you guys know. I like to look at budget tech products because I feel like more people will actually purchase them. So I'm here to help you decide whether or not you want to purchase this product or not. Let's open this box, see what the product looks like, and then we're going to see how well it works. Supposedly it'll charge your phone 2 times, which is pretty good. It's nothing exceptional or anything. I'd like to be able to charge it 5 to 10 times, but that battery would probably be huge, am I right? So you're going to probably have to charge this daily or maybe every other day. But the fact that you can cable charge, you can wirelessly charge, and it sticks to your phone with these suction cups for under $20, I think it's a pretty good deal. So let's get in the box and check this out. Let's go. So pretty simple packaging, guys. Nothing really to see here. We've got a number on the bottom there for scanning, and we've got the package content, 5000 mAh like I said, and we've got some other specs on the bottom here. You can also use it right here with a cable, or you can use it wirelessly charging. So let's take a look what comes inside the box here. So let's open this bad Larry up like so. Okay, with the product itself and a little bit of plastic, and also there is a user manual here. So, wow, nice rubberized feel. I like it. Run-of-the-mill USB cable, nothing fancy here. It's not very long. So, it's about 6-inch cable, and it's going to be micro USB. I'd rather see USB-C, but at the price of $20, I don't think you can complain here. Use of switches. Press the switch once. Okay, so that's the switch right here. Okay, so you can hold it to turn it off. And we've got a battery indicator. 3 is 75 to 100%, 2 is 50 to 74, and 1 is 0 to 24%. And it'll go from green to red, so that's pretty awesome. And we've got single row suction cup and mobile phone's camera face up, as shown in the picture, obviously. I've got my phone right here, and this product has a nice rubberized design here. It feels really nice in the hands, and it's not getting any fingerprints. It will get a little dust. So let's see, by design here, it would go right here. So let's see, looks like if you wet it a little bit. So it doesn't stick that well to the phone. So it does stick a little bit to the phone, but not as good as you might expect. Especially with this here case. So let's see if it'll charge through the case here. So we're going to power it on, stick it right here. I'm not getting any response from the phone whatsoever. Okay, no, it is. Okay, it is working through the phone here. You do have to put it like right in the middle, obviously. We've got regular charging here, no fast charging. So it is going to take 1 hour and 57 minutes to fully charge, which is not great. So I'll take off the case and we'll check it out. So we are sticking this to the phone right now. We'll turn it on. And you can even hold the phone by this while you're using it. That's pretty awesome. So as I suspected, guys, the suction cup works much better with the phone without a case on, but then if you drop your phone, it's toast. So I do like to use a case. And we've still got wirelessly charging, approximately 2 hours, so now it's giving me, it's going to take longer. Not too shabby. I really like how you can hold this, so you can turn it sideways, but it does not grip as well. So it ends up kinda blocking the fingerprint sensor, which is not the best, but let's see how low we can actually get it. Yeah, so the only way I can get it to charge is block the fingerprint sensor, so that's unfortunate. No fast charging, but for $20, it's a pretty good deal. Got a USB as well as a micro USB to actually, this will charge the device, and then you can also charge the phone with a cable like so. So that's pretty awesome. I do like the suction cups with the phone out of the case. My phone is mostly in a case all the time, so I don't know how useful that's going to be. But I do like the design of this. I think it works pretty well, especially with the phone out of the case. I can't even get this off because the phone is actually glass. There we go. But I actually had to stick my finger under there to get it off. So as long as you keep the back of your phone clean, this is going to work awesome. You can even hold this instead of your phone. So I think that's pretty awesome. Cons for this product are going to be no fast charging. Micro USB is kind of a con in my eyes. I wish it was USB-C. So no fast charging. You can't use it without a case, but it works well without that. The design of the product itself, I love it. It's very small and cute, I would say. It's pretty cute, and I do like the design of this. I don't know how easily these will come off, but they seem pretty sturdy. The rubberized feel is pretty awesome. So design of the product is sturdy. I like the suction cups with the phone out of the case. Sleek design. We'll see how long it takes to charge. But as of right now, I think it's a cool product for $20. But without fast charging, it's not really that usable for me. I mean, you can use it in a pinch, but I would really like to see fast charging with a product like this. Not like I'm trying to work here or anything, you know. So pretty cool product. Pretty cool product. For $20, it's not bad. I would like to see fast charging. Some pros are it's not gathering fingerprints, sleek design. Looks like it is not waterproof, but it does have a rubberized feel to it, so I do like that. I would say fast charging and a larger battery would make this worth $10 more in my eyes, so maybe $30. Fast charging and a larger capacity would be awesome. But this is a pretty nifty product. For under $20, I think it's pretty cool, and you guys can judge for yourselves if you'd like to purchase it. So, thanks for watching the video, guys, and until next week, I'm out.